viewer who is preparing for SSC CGL examination, I'm sure each and every viewer might have seen our very recent video which was watched by many people in terms of how to crack SSC CGL examination. We have done a video not only by me but also by the eminent faculty members discussing about the topic-wise weightage across all the topics. In that session, I told you that post that session, we will also do a lot of value-added sessions. It can be a strategy session, it can be some conceptual class session, it can be a practice session, it can be an previous year question discussion session. So to all the students who probably want to know some beautiful concepts, we do it in ACE Online. This is the beginning of that new adventurous ride that we are going to do. Welcoming each one of you. Welcome to ACE Online channel. Welcome to ACE Online channel. In case if you are an sincere and a serious SSC CGL Bank RRB exam aspirant, in case if you enjoy this scintillating content, if you enjoy the kind of concepts which are simplifying your time and space, in case if you respect the hard work the faculty is putting out to add value for you, kindly like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any of the value-added content that we are going to provide. Sir, what is this session all about? What I will do is, right, SSC CGL examination. We have got another close to about 60 plus days are there. In 60 plus days, we will be taking a lot of previous year questions and solve it in ACE Online way. We will also take some practice sessions so that you will come to know how probably a faculty will solve the question. We will also take some important exam tip related question using our experience of 25 plus years addressing students, right? Probably year on year in technical education, we are probably the most respected brand in technical education. Year on year, we produce all India rank ones, not one in one department, but in multiple departments. We carry that kind of legacy, right? Exam tips, some exam related information, some important strategy related sessions, any right other helpful videos asked by students in the comment section. These are the sub-variants that we are going to do in these special series. Sir, are you going to discuss only quantitative aptitude? No, sir. We will be covering primarily 4 topics. One is aptitude, another is reasoning. We will also discuss some sessions related to verbal ability, and we will also take some classes with respect to general studies. All the faculties whom you have seen right on the SSC CGL strategy session, the same faculties will be helping you out. We wanted to give nothing but the best to the student community. Aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability and general studies. In case if you subscribe to channel, please regularly look at the latest YouTube classes. I'm sure my team has planned one more reasoning session, right? Post my session. This is the agenda of all these sessions. Sir, what are you going to discuss? Are you going to discuss something which is present in other channels? Definitely no. Right? Our strong, distinct forte, our expertise lies in discussing logics which you will not find it in regular textbooks or regular channels. We will be solving the questions in our experience, right, of understanding the problem. Today's class, you will come to know by knowing a concept how you can solve a lot of SSC PYQ questions very, very fast. Entire essence of today's session is solve SSC PYQ problems, right, in ACE Online way. What is ACE Online way? Solve it through a prism never seen before. Solve it in such a way that which will help you save a lot of time and space. This is the agenda of today's session, right? I already told you, right, in the first session, to all the students who have not seen the session, this is an extremely important slide. We have taken last 4 years paper, and there is a topic wise listing and the number of questions that came in the topic wise listing. A important key point to students, depending upon the right number of questions that are coming over a period of 4 years, give that little extra attention to that particular topic. This is the topic wise weightage of quantitative aptitude, not based on the last year, based upon the last 4 years. Let us get into the content, powerful content. Pay attention. Sit in the class with a notebook and an pen. This is what a student can expect from all these sessions. We will be discussing concepts rather than just solving the problems in a traditional way. We will be making you learn a lot of techniques for solving a problem techniques. We will be using our internal Yes Online specially developed techniques which will maximize your score. The entire essence of today's session is to maximize the score in minimum time. To maximize the score in minimum time. These are something which you can definitely expect from the session. Sir, what you should not expect from this session? Definitely, as an institute, we always believe in extraordinary content and a very sincere, honest classroom delivery. These are some things which you should not expect. We should not expect. Please do not expect right marketing sessions. We do not do complete sessions on marketing. We do not discuss any gimmicky techniques. Our all classrooms are taken by the best of the teachers. So definitely the outcome is an efficient learning mechanism. We do not believe in giving any false promises. We do not do right classes with an young teachers. We do not make a people who probably out of their innocence and ignorance. We as a core value of an academic team, we always believe in doing an honest delivery. What you should not expect from this session, what you should expect from this session. Let us straight away get into the content. Today being the first class, I will go very slowly. I will make you understand some concepts. I will be taking some previous year questions. Then slowly we will increase the number of questions, if possible the duration also. It all depends upon your response to the classes. First simple question, let us start. 31x plus 30y plus 29z equivalent to 366. X plus y plus z is equivalent to how much? Question is 31x plus 30y plus 29z is equivalent to 366. Just I am taking a very simple question from calendars. A beginning first principle question. Most of the students, what they think is, right, sir, this question contains 3 variables. So it's an algebra question. Should I know the concept of linear expressions and use any method? No, sir. See, basically SSC examination or any aptitude examination, first thing it focuses on your basic logic. Your fundamentals, first principles only it will check. Your logic, whether it is right or wrong. Let us begin these special sessions with a first principle question. 31x plus 30y plus 29z equivalent to 366. Please listen carefully. In a year, there are certain months which got 31 days. See the coefficients. In a year, there are certain months which got 30 days. In a year, there is 1 month which got 29 days, right? In a year, there are certain months which got 31 days. In a year, there are certain months which got 30 days. In a year, there are certain months which got 29 days. How many months have got 31 days? January, March, May, July, August, October, December. So the value of x is 7. I hope you understood the basic root cause of the problem. How many months have got 29 days? 4. How many months will have, right, 30 days? 1. 7 plus 1 plus 4. 7 plus 1 plus 4, it is 12. 7 plus 1 plus 4, it is 12. Now, idea behind starting this session is to tell you no SSC examination or be it bank examination or a CAT examination. Nobody wants you to be an hereditary of Ramanujam and solve some of the toughest problem. Given this question, can you use your mind instead of mindlessly remembering thousands of formulae? Can you look at a question and solve it in a logical way? Answer for this question is 12. Answer for this question is 12. Now, a smart student might ask me a question, a viewer who is watching this video, sir, this question it is clear to me, but what if the question is like this? 3x plus 6y plus 12z is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. There are a lot of variations in these questions. This is where ACE Online experience will come into picture. Instead of just solving the problem, I will also mention the doubts which you might get right while listening to the class so that you will have a 100% clarity. 3x plus 6y plus 12z is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. If the question is like this, how you should solve it? Please look at here. Now forget about that as an algebraic equation. 12 plus 15 is equivalent to 27. 12 plus 15 is equivalent to 27. 12 is divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 3. If I add two numbers which are divisible by 3, answer will be divisible by 3. Right hand side it is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 3. Answer will be divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. Understood the root cause of a problem? Sir, in number system, if you look at the weightage, there is one topic, number system. Good number of 2 questions are coming. In number system, the most important topic is divisibility rule. How divisibility rule related concepts are also used in algebra. This is what I say, connecting the dots from various topics. This kind of learning mechanism is known as thematic based learning mechanism. 3x plus 6y plus 12z is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. These is divisible by 3, these is divisible by 3, these is divisible by 3. Left hand side is divisible by 3. Right hand side it should be divisible by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum of the digits is not divisible by 3. Henceforth answer is no value of x comma y comma z. No value of x comma y comma z. Sir, what if the question is like this? 2x plus 3y is equivalent to 36. Immediately, because your fundas are so strong, immediately you will conclude, sir, this is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. Y should be divisible by 2. Are you all with me? Sir, this is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. X should be divisible by 3. That means answer will become 6k1 plus 6k2 is equivalent to 36. That means k1 plus k2 is equivalent to 6. If he is asking natural numbers, write 1 plus 4 to 5, 1 plus 5 to 5 plus 1. Are you all with me? This is how you should make your preparation strong by understanding the concept. Here, what is the simplest thing that we have learnt in the question? Just to look at a question and understand the root cause of the problem. First question is teaching you, understand the root cause of the problem. Do not directly jump into solving the problem. This is an extremely important learning mechanism every student should know. I have seen some questions, sir. See here. 14% of 80 plus dash percentage of 90 is equivalent to 31.9. Right? Extremely important concept, sir. Percentages. Very, very important percentage. Percentages. How you will solve this problem is method 1. In case if you are not an ACE Online student, what you will do is 14 into 80 by 100 plus x by 100 into 90 is equivalent to 31 by 9. you will multiply it and you will find the value. You will definitely get the answer X. But the problem is, it will take a little more time. It will take a little more time. All you are doing in this problem is 14%, you are writing it as 14 by 100 into 80. Question percentage is X by 100 into 90. It is 31.9. Just a mundane way of solving a question. If you ask me how in ACE Online we solve this question, ACE Online way, how we solve it in ACE Online way. Now look at this one, sir. ACE Online way. How to solve this question? Right? In case if you are a student of ACE Online, how you can solve this question? Probably this question will take maximum 10 seconds, right? 5 to 10 seconds is the time that this question deserves. 14% of 80 plus a dash percentage of 90 equivalent to 31.9. 14% of 80 plus dash percentage of 90 is equivalent to 31.9. Look at here, sir, right? 31.9. What is the rightmost non-zero digit? In case you want to be good in arithmetic, if you want to be good in arithmetic, 5 concepts you should be good, sir. 5 concepts you should be good. If you are good in these 5 concepts, at least 40 to 50% of the questions in arithmetic can be solved by eliminating answer options. Sir, what are the 5 concepts? One is the right concepts of concept solving. If you are good in concepts, you can solve it. Profit, loss and discount, relationship between markup and discount, how mixtures and allegations are related, speed is equivalent to distance by time, men into days is equivalent to work. Concept solving. Next is rightmost non-zero digit. Very, very important logic, sir. Most of the right teachers do not concentrate on this approach. Rightmost non-zero digit. I will explain it. Very beautiful concept, sir. Good number of compound interest problems also can be solved easily. Next one, digital sum. Digital sum. Next is divisibility rule. Next is divisibility rule. Last but not least, prime number. Usage of prime number. Please put a star mark on this. Any problem that you are solving in arithmetic, to eliminate an incorrect answer options, these 5 ways are required. One is the traditional, that concept driven way. For time, speed and distance has got its own concepts. Profit, loss and discount has got its own concepts. Rightmost non-zero digit, digital sum, divisibility rule, and prime number. Prime number is an extremely critical element. By if a left hand side is divisible by 7, right hand side should also be divisible by 7. We will discuss that approaches as we proceed. Now see here, through this question, what is the first concept that I discussed in the first problem? Understand the root cause of the problem, right? Now here I want to explain one concept to you, that is rightmost non-zero digit. Rightmost non-zero digit. If you know this concept, lot of questions in percentage related problems. What are the percentage related problems? Percentages, profit, loss and discount, simple interest, compound interest, installment, or data interpretation related questions. These are some of the topics which are derived from percentages. How to solve this question in ACE Online way? 730. Go from right to left. What is the first rightmost non-zero digit? It is 3. First rightmost non-zero digit, it is 3. Rightmost non-zero digit means start from right, go towards the left. The first non-zero digit that you get, that is the rightmost non-zero digit. When I was going through these right previous year question pattern related question, what I observed is, right, good number of questions can be solved easily. 8 4s are 32. Rightmost non-zero digit is 2. Here it is 31.9. Here it is 9. 2 plus something, it is 9. This value, it is 7. That means 9 multiplied by which number I will get 7? 9. 9 6 are 54. 4, not possible. 9 3s are 27. It is possible. 9 3s are 27. It is possible. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Concept it is clear, right, sir? 23, it is the answer. Sir, please explain again. 14% of 80. 8 4s are 32. Here it is 2. 31.9. Here it is 9. Here it is 7. 2 plus 7, it is 9. 9 multiplied by which number I should get 7? 9 3s are 27. So this has to have 3. This has to have 3. I hope the idea it is clear. Sir, what if there is another number? For example, 33 in the answer option. 33 in the answer option. 33 in the answer option. 33 contains 11 as a prime number. That means this number is divisible by 11. Check what is the remainder when I divide these left hand side. The same remainder should be there on the right hand side. Today is the beginning of a very beautiful, adventurous, never seen before ways in this one. Today I will just give you a basic understanding of all these concepts, how you should look at an aptitude problem, how you should solve an aptitude problem, what are the things that you should keep it in mind while solving a question. Once these, it is like on a day 1 and day 2. Once I said the algorithm right, suppose you are going to a gym. What is the most difficult thing for a person going to gym? It is not practicing it. It is waking up early in the morning. You waking up early in the morning, if you get a habit of waking up, rest everything will go smoothly. That minutest effort of getting out of bed and going to washroom and cleaning the face, that if I can make it happen, then practicing the gym, because you all people who enjoy this preparation, that just initial, that escape velocity, right, logics I need to give. Once you go through that escape velocity, then logics are very easy. Again I am repeating, sir, in this question, what is the logic I learned, sir? I wanted to teach you rightmost non-zero digit logic. If this fails, we will go this. If this fails, we will go this. 4 8s are 32. Here it is 2. Here it is 9. 2 plus something, it is 9. Right? We will discuss in detail what will happen if more than one answer option. Today, it is just a 1 hour class. Sir, I wanted to know more. You can always buy the course and you can know more. See here, sir. I wanted to teach a concept here. 65 whole square plus 101 whole square minus 23 whole square. First and foremost thing, any question which involves a number related things, first thing you will keep it in mind is number tree concept. Most of the students will ignore this concept. This will help us to eliminate some answer options. Sir, how it eliminates answer option? 65, it is an odd number. Odd number on square is odd number. 101, it is an odd number. Odd number on square is an odd number. 23, it is an odd number. Odd number on square is odd number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Minus odd number. Even minus odd, it is an odd number. Answer should be an odd number. One traditional way, what students will solve it in a traditional way, they will find out these squares, and get the answer. If it is ACE online way, how we are going to solve it in ACE online way, right? How our content is different from others, this is the logic. 65, it is an odd number. 101, it is an odd number. 23, it is an odd number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Even minus odd, it is an odd number. Answer should be an odd number. Eliminated. Just by looking at a question, we eliminated 3 answer options. Remember, my dear students, you are writing examination which focuses on 2 parameters. What are the parameters? One is speed and another is accuracy. These are the two important things that you should keep it in mind. Sir, we eliminated only 3 answer option. How will you do? C and D. Very beautiful logics are there, sir. Right? Very beautiful logics are there. Another concept I will teach you, that is last 2 digits. Another concept is last 2 digits. Last 2 digits. Very powerful concept, sir. These concept says, right, you take any natural number, square it. 50 plus or minus x whole square. 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus number whole square. Last 2 digits will be same. Last 2 digits will be same. Last 2 digits will be same. Extremely important concept in number system, sir. You take a number, square it. 50 minus a number square, 50 plus a number square. 100 minus a number square, 100 plus a number square. Last 2 digits will be same. Sir, can you say it with an example? Definitely. 4 square, it is 16. 50 minus 4, 46 square. If you solve it, you will get 2116. Here also it is 16. 50 plus 4, 54 square. It is 2916. 100 minus 4, 96 square. It is 9216. Extremely important. Please make a note of it. We are trying to tell you how we solve these problems for an enrolled students in our ACE online course. In case if you are not getting this kind of right content, probably we would strongly recommend you to buy our course. Last 2 digits. You take a number, square it. 50 minus a number square, 50 plus a number square. 100 minus a number square, 100 plus a number square. Last 2 digits will be same. Sir, how it helps to solve the problem? Now see here. Last 2 digits. 23 square, 529. Last 2 digits. It is 29. I am not interested in finding the entire number. 101 square, 100 plus 1 whole square. Last 2 digits, 01. 01. 100 plus 1 square, x square, 100 plus x whole square. 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. 1 square, it is 01. 65 square. Put a star mark on this concept. Put a star mark on this concept. I wanted to explain some concepts. We will only focus on concepts rather than problem solving. What is the concept? See here. 15 into 15, it is 225. 25 into 25, it is 625. 15 into 25, it is 375. Sir, why these 3 examples? Why these 3 examples? One is an odd number ending with 5 into odd number ending with 5. When you multiply any 2 odd numbers ending with 5, last 2 digits will be 25. 2 is an even number ending with 5. 2 is an even number ending with 5. What are the last 2 digits? 25. Extremely important concept, sir. 1 is an odd number ending with 5. 2 is an even number ending with 5. Last 2 digits will be 75. Last 2 digits will be 75. Very, very important concept. Please make a note of it. When 2 odd numbers ending with 5 are multiplied, last 2 digits will be 25. When 2 even numbers ending with 5 are multiplied, last 2 digits will be 25. Even 5 into odd 5, last 2 digits will be 75. Extremely important concept, sir. Very, very important concept. Today, the first class in this special series, I am just focusing on concepts. Once our concepts are clear, we will execute in a lot of questions. You will be feeling extremely aha moment. I took so much time in solving this question, but with this logic, I can save a lot of time. Odd number ending with 5 into odd number ending with 5. Last 2 digits is 25. Even 5 into even 5. Last 2 digits is 25. Odd 5 into even 5. Last 2 digits it is 75. Some examples. 785 into 475 into 3495 into 7875. what are the last two digits? If anybody asks, not only direct questions, but indirect questions can also be asked. 785 into 475 into 3495 into 7875 into 7875. Now see here, 785, it is ending with 5, 8 is an even number. Other than 5, the digit before, it is an odd number 5. 349, it is an odd number ending with 5. 787, odd number ending with 5. Even 5 into odd 5, 75. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25. 7 is an odd number, 2 is an even number. Answer is 75. I hope the idea, it is very much clear. Especially it is used in a lot of problems involving simplification, as most of the SSC students knows that simplification is another extremely important concept. Once your fundas are clear, you will be able to solve the questions probably in the fastest time that is possible. Sir, can you solve it again? All are ending with 5. All are ending with 5. What is the concept related to 5? Ending with 5. Before 78, it is an even number ending with 5. 47, odd number ending with 5. 349, odd number ending with 5. 787, odd number ending with 5. 2 even 5 into odd 5. Last two digits 75. Odd 5 into odd 5. It is 25. 7 is odd, 2 is even. Odd 5 into even 5. Odd 5 into even 5. What are the last two digits? 75. Please make a note. Concept builder class. The class full of pure 100% gold standard concepts, sir. Now, 65 square. 65 square can be written as 65 into 65. 6 is an even number. Here also it is 25. Even 5 into even 5 is 25. Again I am repeating, 23 square is 529. Last two digits is 29. 101 square is 100 plus 1 square. Last two digits is 01. 65 square, even 5 into even 5. Last two digits is 25. 25 plus 1, 26, minus 29 minus 3. Whenever you get a negative value, when you are finding last two digits, 100 add to it. 100 minus 3 is 97. Which answer option has got 97 as last two digits? Answer for this question is 13897. Answer for this question is 13897. 1 is to find out 65 square, 101 square, 23 square using speed calculation, doing addition, then subtraction. Another way is, this is, I want all the students to look at this question from these angles. Because if you look at this question from these angles, simplification topic will be extremely comfortable. Second time I am explaining, 65 square, even 5 into even 5, it is 25. 101 square, 100 plus 1 square, 1 square it is 01, 23 square, it is 529, 29. 25 plus 1, 26, minus 29, minus 3. Negative value, in case if you get it, you can add 100 to it to get the positive remainder. Minus 3 plus 100, 97, 100. Once you know this concept, just look out the options where 97 is the last two digits. Sir, Anil sir, what will happen if more than one answer option has the same last two digits? I told you, to solve a lot of problems, not one method is there. One is concept method, which is your traditional method. Another is, I just used the last two digits logic. In case if you are stuck, you can make use of digital sum, divisibility rule, or prime number logic. Very important pillars to solve. To solve a mathematical problem, there is a way. And the way is a very logical way, not of the formula way. I hope the idea it is clear. Number tree concept it is clear. Last two digits concept also, I am sure it is clear. Entire examination, you can clear it in first attempt. In case if your concepts are good. Just to explain the importance in the first class, how important are the concepts, let me show you another problem. Sir, you took HCF. Is there any reason why you took HCF related problems? Let us go to the weightage part. Let us go to the weightage part. If you see, again number system is an extremely important topic. I will be taking a lot of PYQs across all the topics. Today we are just combining some of the problems related to 3 and 4, that is a number system and simplification. LCM is an extremely important model. Most of the students, what they do is, method 1, how you will solve a question. Method 1, HCF of 420, 1782. You will take second number, 1782, divided by the first number, 424s are 1682. Like that, you will do general division method. This is what is taught in most of the regular textbooks. Most of the students are comfortable with this method. I do not want method 1. I want ACE online way. How we teach it. How we teach. Our methods are logical. Our methods are proven by the right kind of results that we produce. ACE online way, conceptual way. When I say an ACE online way, it means that we will try to solve the problem in a logical way, right, with a lot of careful thought process way. See here, HCF of 6, 9. HCF of 6, 9. What is the factor that is common to both 6, 9? Which is 3. Answer for this question is 3. For me, answer is not important. Please look at this point. While finding HCF, input this number is divisible by 3. This number is also divisible by 3. Answer, it will be divisible by 3. That means in HCF, input, if every number is divisible by k, answer will also be divisible by k. Again, I am repeating this point. HCF of 15, 20, 25. If you solve it, you will get 5. Input, the divisible by 5, divisible by 5, divisible by 5. Input, all the numbers are divisible by 5. Answer will be divisible by 5. Input, all the numbers are divisible by 5. Answer will be divisible by 5. Answer will be divisible by 5. I hope it is clear. Input, every number should be divisible by 7. Then only the answer will be divisible by 7. Without doing this generic division, this is the first idea. Second idea, HCF of even numbers is even number. HCF of any even numbers is even number. All are even numbers. All are even numbers means all are divisible by 2. Input, all the numbers are divisible by 2. That is what we defined HCF right now. Output is also divisible by 2. Input, all are divisible by 4. Output will also be divisible by 4. Just by looking at a question, if you know this method, again it will take 5 to 10 seconds to solve this problem. 5 to 10 seconds to solve this problem. How ACE online students will solve this problem? See here, sir. HCF of 420, 1782. It is an even number, it is an even number. Input, all are divisible by 2. Output, it is also divisible by 2. 7 is not the right answer. 7 is not the right answer. I hope the idea it is clear. If output is divisible by 4, if output is divisible by 4, what does it mean in HCF? Output is divisible by 4. That means input, all the numbers should be divisible by 4. That is what exactly I said in these two examples. If input, all the numbers are divisible by 4, output also will be divisible by 4. If output is divisible by 4, input, all the numbers will be divisible by 4. 20, it is divisible by 4. 82, it is not divisible by 4. Input, all the numbers should be divisible by 4. Then only output will be divisible by 4. These are not possible. If answer is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? It cannot be divisible by 8 because 8 itself is derived from the number 4. 4 into 2 is 8. If answer is not 4, if an answer number is not divisible by 4, right, how can it be divisible by 8? I hope it is clear. Sir, what are the concepts that I learnt in this question? HCF of how to determine HCF without the generic division method, right? HCF, input, all the numbers are divisible by 3. Output will be divisible by 3. Input all the numbers are divisible by 3. K, output will be divisible by K, right? That's the only simplest concept which I used it. Now all the students who understood that concept, please drop your pens. Please drop your pens, right? Let us solve this question in a logical way. Logical way is the only way which we in ACE Online firmly believe in. ACE Online way. Please drop your pens. You understood a concept? Let us solve the question logically. Suppose, sir, 10 cannot be the answer. If I ask a student, why 10 cannot be the answer? Sir, you said it to me just right now. If the answer is divisible by 10, input every number should be divisible by 10. This is not divisible by 10. Oh, very good. So, then, can 20 be the answer if I ask a question? Sir, you just said it to me. If it is not divisible by 10, how can it be divisible by 20? 15, it is 5 into 3. If the answer is divisible by 3, input all the numbers should be divisible by 3. 980, it is not divisible by 3. Why it is not divisible by 3? 9 plus 8, 17, 1 plus 7, 8. It is not divisible. So answer for this question is 5. Answer for this question is 5. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Input, all the numbers are divisible by 10. Output, it should be divisible by 10. With just because of good understanding of the concept, you can solve it. In case if you see it, all the questions, whatever I am solving, I am just trying to be good in the first principle. What is the first principle? Knowing the concepts very, very well. If you do not know the concepts only, you will have a fear when you are going towards the examination. You will have a fear. Now, see here. Let us solve one more question. Ratio related question. A glimpse of what we teach in ACE Online. Right? A, B and C are 3 positive numbers. S equivalent to A plus B plus C by 2. S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C is 1 is to 7 is to 4. S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C. It is 1 is to 7 is to 4. Find A is to B is to C. How you will solve the question is, how probably most of the students will solve the question is, S minus A it is 1, it is K. S minus B it is 7K. S minus C it is 4K. They will add S plus S plus S. 3S minus of A plus B plus C. It is 12K. So A plus B plus C is 2S. SC is 12K. Substitute. 12K minus K. A is 11. 12K, B is 5. C is 4. Answer is 11 is to 5 is to 8. Definitely yes, this is one of the good ways of solving a question. But I wanted to teach you an ACE Online way. How we will solve this question, right? We wanted to develop a logic for you. ACE Online way. How we will solve this question? We will develop that right intellectual ability thinking, ability to understand the question and solve it in the most simplest way is what we believe in ACE Online. S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C. Without even finding the values of A, B, C, let us try to solve the question. This is the question. 1 is to 7 is to 4. First thing I asked myself, what is given in the right hand side? 1 is to 7 is to 4. 1 is to 7 is to 4. Which is smallest? 1 is smallest. If this is smallest, A will be largest. That means in the answer, first value should be largest. First value is not largest. First value is not largest. First value is not largest. Finish. 5 to 10 seconds approach to solve the question. Original answer options solved very logically, sir. S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C. 1 is to 7 is to 4. It is smallest. A will be largest. Or it is largest. 1, 7, 4. 7 is largest. B will be smallest. Mid value will be smallest. Mid value smallest will be 11 is to 5 is to 8. 5. I hope the idea it is clear. You look at any of the questions, whatever I solved, I just understood the definition of a mathematical operator. I just understood the concept of definition of HCF. I just understood the concept of number tree. Whatever I am teaching you, is it something that is beyond 5th class or 6th class, maximum 7th class NCERT textbook? That means if a non-max student can get the right guidance, can learn all the concepts, then probably he or she will be closer to the dreams. Now, if you see this question, this is another similar question that came in SSC examination. 5.55 power x, 0.55 power y equivalent to 1000. How you will solve it in traditional method? Method 1. How most of the teachers will teach you this method, right? 5.55 power x is equivalent to 1000. They will apply logarithm. X log 5.55 is equivalent to log 1000. They will get x. Similarly, 0.55555 power y is 1000. They will again apply log. Log 0.55555 is equivalent to log 1000. From there, they will try to solve. This is a very advanced mathematical way of solving the question. Advanced mathematical way. Or they will also do it in another way. 5.55 is 1000 power 1 by x. 0.55555 it is 1000 power 1 by y. Divide this one, whatever the answer that you get, that this is a surds and power method. The reverse of surds is logarithm method. Yes, online way. How we are going to solve it in our, if this question is given to our students, we want our students to solve like this. Forget about power. Remove everything. This is an approximate way, sir. 5 power x is closer to 1000. X is just greater than 4. Am I right? Sir, why you wrote 4? 5 power 4 is 5 square into 5 square. 25s are 625. X is just greater than 4. 0.5 power y. I am using approximation concept. This is 2 power minus y is 1000. Y is closer to minus 10. Sir, why you got y closer to minus 10? 2 power 10 is 1024. 2 power 10 is 1024. The most popular, right, byte, bit, GB, MB, all computer science students know that one. 2 power anything is a relatively and right important concept in computer architecture. X is just greater than 4. A y is closer to 10. Substitute. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 10. 1 by 4 is 25% plus 10. Answer is closer to 35%. A simple way of solving the question. This method is called as the approximation method. This method is called as the approximation method. Method is called as the approximation method. 5 power x is 1000. X is just greater than 4. 0.5 power y is 1000. Y is just closer to 10. 1 by 4 minus 1 by minus 10. 25% plus 10%. Idea is to tell you, sir, can you use approximation concept in power related problems? I will use it in square, I will use it in cube, I will use it in algebra related problems, I will use it in percentage related problems, I will use it in data interpretation. Thematic based learning. One theme we will take and we will connect the dots. These are all some of the right exam replica questions through which you can solve it. Sir, I have understood a lot of the concepts and I am semi-prepared for SSC CGL. I wanted to have a course which will guide me in terms of aptitude, reasoning, verbal and general studies, and I want the course to be taken by the experienced teacher. I do not want an youngster to take the class, thereby teaching a traditional methods. Experienced person not only delivers the content, but also guides you at every step of your preparation, because he or she has seen it in experience, the student's journey end to end. Probably at what time the student probably will feel very low, at what makes a student get into an conversion stage, everything. Experience only speaks. Right? Now see here, this is the most wonderful course that we have created, and I am extremely confident that this course will help you out to reach your SSC CGL Tier 1 examination and other examination. Sir, what does that course contain? Around 350 plus hours of pre-recorded content. Probably in entire India, the kind of infrastructure that we use it to make the content extremely good to hear, extremely great to watch, right? We have invested a lot of time, money and effort in not only in preparing content, but giving it in an extremely wonderful studio. 350 plus hours of pre-recorded content, not a live content, because Tier 1 examination there is a limited time, and all the classes are taken by the experienced faculties. Kindly go back and watch the latest SSC CGL video, right, that we did it in ACE Academy channel, and the test series we are going to give it free. As usual, every teacher, the first foundation expectation of every teacher is he or she has to be a good mentor, and you can always ask doubts in our either app or in web portal, so that the team will be more than happy to do it. These are the course details. Sir, how many tests I will get free? Subject wise 8 full length mock tests, 10 total, 18 tests you will get free. You can get into an ACE online website and you can click on SSC CGL course and you can buy the course. You can select which year you want, select the year and you can purchase it. And this course is in, the communication is in basic English. Sir, what is the cost price of the course? Right, 3 months 2499, 6 months 4499, 12 months it is 6999. These are 3 variants of the courses are there, right? There is a special coupon code that you can apply, CGL20, to get special 20% discount on the existing courses. You can log on to ACE, as most of you who are watching these video know that ACE is the biggest brand all over India in terms of GATE and other technical studies. We are diversifying ourselves into an aptitude markets very soon with the kind of seriousness and sincerity we have been working hard from last few years. I think within years we should be able to create the same dent in non-technical examinations also. I hope you enjoyed some very different ways of solving this problem. In case if you want any particular topic, in case if you have any doubts, use the comment section in YouTube. Alternatively, you can download ACE online app. Please do not forget that not only aptitude, we will also be doing some sessions from reasoning, verbal and general studies, which is going to help you tremendously. Thanks a lot once again for Anil Nair, faculty, ACE Online.